You're doing your daily workout, sweating it out, but somehow it feels like you've hit a wall. The progress is slowed, and your core strength isn't improving as fast as you'd hoped. Sound familiar? The truth is, when it comes to fitness, your body thrives on challenges. But what if I told you that the secret to unlocking your core's full potential isn't about spending hours in the gym or lifting heavier weights? It's about how you use your body. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, we're diving into the world of planks. Yes, that simple exercise you've probably done 1,000 times. But here's the twist. These aren't your regular planks. I've uncovered 7 advanced plank variations that are not only more engaging, but also designed to transform your fitness game completely. Stick with me till the end, because these exercises will challenge every muscle in your core and beyond, and leave you feeling stronger, more stable, and ready for anything life throws your way. Let's kick things off with the foundation, the standard plank. You know this one. It's the classic move where you hold your body in a straight line on your forearms and toes. This simple exercise is brilliant for building core stability, and it's the starting point for everything we'll do today. The standard plank engages your abdominals, lower back, and shoulders while teaching you to stabilize your body. It's the go-to move for beginners and pros alike. But here's the thing. If you've been doing just the standard plank for months, your body has likely adapted. That's why you're not seeing much progress anymore. Your muscles crave variety and intensity to grow stronger, and that's where our killer plank variations come in. Ready to level up? Let's get started. 1. Side plank. The oblique shaper. First up is the side plank. If you want those defined, toned sides that scream core strength, this one's for you. The side plank targets your obliques, the muscles along the sides of your torso, while also improving balance and rotational stability. These muscles are crucial for everyday movements like twisting to grab something or pivoting quickly in sports. To perform a side plank, lie on your side with your legs stacked and your forearm on the ground. Ensure your elbow is directly under your shoulder. Engage your core, lift your hips, and hold your body in a straight line from head to toe. Start with 20 to 30 seconds on each side, gradually increasing the time as you get stronger. Remember, alignment is everything. Don't let your hips sag or shoulders rotate. 2. Forearm to push-up plank. A full body burner. Let's add some movement with the forearm to push-up plank. This dynamic variation transitions you from a forearm plank to a high plank, push-up position, and back again. It's a total body workout disguised as a core exercise, working your abs, shoulders, chest, and arms simultaneously. Begin in a forearm plank position, keeping your body straight and your core engaged. Press into your forearms and lift onto your hands, one arm at a time, into a high plank. Hold for a second, then lower back down onto your forearms. Repeat this motion for 30 seconds to a minute. Control is key here. Don't rush through it. Your movements should be steady and deliberate, ensuring maximum engagement of your muscles. 3. Plank with hip dips, the rotational core killer. Next, let's spice things up with the plank hip dips. This variation adds a rotational element, targeting your lower back, hips, and glutes along with your core. It's perfect for building stability and improving coordination. Start in a forearm plank position. Rotate your hips toward the floor on one side, then back to the center, and repeat on the other side. Move in a slow, controlled manner to ensure you're working the right muscles. As you get stronger, try adding a weighted vest or a resistance band for an extra challenge. 4. Plank with shoulder taps. Stability in motion. This might look simple, but don't be fooled. The plank with shoulder taps is all about control. By lifting one hand to tap the opposite shoulder, you create instability, forcing your core to work overtime to keep your body stable. Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body straight. Lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder, then switch sides. The goal: keep your body as still as possible. No rocking hips or shifting weight. This exercise strengthens your core, shoulders, and stabilizer muscles while teaching you to maintain control during movement. 5. Plank with leg lifts. The lower body booster. Now it's time to bring your lower body into the mix with the plank leg lifts. This variation targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while still engaging your core. Start in a high plank position. Lift one leg off the ground, hold for a second, and lower it back down. Alternate legs while keeping your core tight and your body steady. Avoid arching your back or dropping your hips. This move is excellent for improving posture, stability, and functional strength. 6. Side plank star hold. Balance and strength in one move. Let's take the side plank to the next level with the star hold. This variation adds a leg lift to the standard side plank, challenging your balance and engaging multiple muscle groups. Get into a side plank position. Once stable, lift your top leg and extend your top arm overhead, forming a star shape with your body. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds on each side. This exercise targets your obliques, shoulders, and hip muscles while testing your balance and coordination. 7. Bonus: the bear crawl. Finally, we've got the bear crawl, a dynamic, functional exercise that pushes your coordination and endurance. The bear crawl engages your core, shoulders, and legs, making it a full body challenge. Start on all fours with your knees hovering just above the ground. Crawl forward and backward, keeping your core tight and your movements controlled. The bear crawl mimics real-life movements like crouching and crawling under obstacles, making it an excellent addition to any fitness routine. The ultimate plank circuit. Now that you've mastered these variations, let's put them into action with a quick but intense circuit. 30 seconds of side plank on each side, 30 seconds of forearm to push-up planks, 30 seconds of hip dips, 30 seconds of shoulder taps, 30 seconds of leg lifts, 30 seconds of side plank star hold on each side. Finish with a 30-second bear crawl. This circuit hits every part of your core while improving stability, balance, and strength. Complete it twice for a full workout that'll leave your core burning and your body stronger than ever. So what are you waiting for? These plank variations are your ticket to the next level of fitness. Try them out, challenge yourself, and let me know in the comments which one you found the toughest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more game-changing workout tips. See you in the next video. Stay strong.